Okay, today's going to be the first part of my tutorial about GLX-dock or cairo-dock, and I just want to warn people that well, here's our website. I'll put a link in the description down below. But anyways, I want to warn people about this. There's different versions of it, and the one in the repos I believe is 2.1, and there's also a PPA for 2.2, which is a stable version, just an updated version of the first one of the repos. And there's a unstable one, 2.3. okay, and there's a really bad bug in this program that affects the one in the repos and also affects the PPA one, the stable one, 2.2. However, if you were to install the 2.3, the unstable, the bug is not there anymore, and it has to do with the OpenGL backend of it. Basically, what the bug does, it makes your Qt applications that have video playback, like Caffeine or Minitube and Kdenlive, all the video playback on that is transparent. No matter what you do, you can't see the video. I made a video showing off the bug, and I'll have the link to that video down below. However, if you want to just go ahead and install the 2.3 version, you know, I've used it for a while on and off, and I don't really see anything wrong with it, other than every so often the dock will lock up a little bit. Like, you'll minimize a program and you'll click on the dock and it doesn't unminimize. It just locks up every once in a great while. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be using 2.2. But first, I want to show you how to fix this problem with 2.2 and 2.1. Okay, so let's go into our applications menu here and right click on it, go to edit menus. Now I'm going to be fixing Kdenlive. That's affected by the bug. So right here where it says sound and video, click on that, and if you notice, this section right here is this up here. See, accessories, games, graphics, you know, games, graphics, you know, internet. It's the same thing. And when you click on this portion, these are your applications. Like right here, the same thing. Alright, now double click on Kdenlive. Now, not the name, but the command right here. See the command? You're going to add something to the front of it. Let me double click here, and this is what you're going to add. This little line. It's just gonna dismiss the transparency of that program. So right click on it, copy, and right here make sure there's a space. So I'm gonna hit the space bar right now. So space. I'm gonna hit the left key to make sure there's a space right there. Right click and paste, and there's the space. Just make sure there's a space. Okay, now hit close. Now that's fixed. And anytime you have a problem with any other Qt application, like here's another one right here, Minitube, that's also affected by the bug. So we're just going to do the same thing to this as I did to Kdenlive. Just add that line the same way I did with Kdenlive, and your transparency issue won't be an issue anymore. So I just want to get that out of the way so people can understand that it is a problem. So unless you use 2.3, and if you use 2.3, of course you're going to have your own little problems here and there because it is unstable, but it's not too bad. So anyways, that's it for this video. I just want to just, you know, warn people. So the next video I'm going to go ahead and install it, show you how to install it and set it up, deleting your panels, you know, how to customize the icons and adding subdocks and all this other stuff that goes with it. It's very, very, very customizable. That's what's good about it. So I'll see you then.